This is our plant ACI Solar Power Private Limited, situated in village Ugras, Jodhpur, Rajasthan state. This is our plant main gate. When some vehicle came from outside, the security supervisor note down their name and vehicle details. The dustbin, which is used for wet, dry and organic and degradable wastage. This is our plant main control room building. This is our SCADA room, and this is our outgoing feeder panel room. Now we go to SCADA room. This is our SCADA room where our team monitoring our plant. They do like work order closing and all the things here. Now our technician Mr. Khemraj is doing the monitoring on isotrol. This is our plant layout. In this layout, all the details are mentioned, like inverter capacities, module, how many module in the plant. This is our SCADA room notice board, which we have mentioned the technicians work and spare details and PM schedule. This is the PM schedule. This is the and we have already pasted regarding the COVID-19 information. This is the technician wise work allotted. We have divided the work within the technician. This is the emergency contact details. This is first aid box. Sanitizer is already maintained at site. This is our file board. In this we have maintained all the PM checklist into the, like Mr. Vinod, Jagdish, Khemraj, Sunil. We have the PM checklist from inverter wise and Lotto book. The plant SCADA, which we have monitor. One more PC which is used for work order closing and all the things, like some work on Excel. Fire extinguisher, which we have maintained in the SCADA room. This is our main panel room. There all the blocks outgoing is come to here. There is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 outgoing feeder, and main outgoing feeder is here. Safety sign is already pasted in all the panels. This is auxiliary supply plant layout. This is all plant HV layout, high voltage. This is the notice board which we have pasted, like when the someone got the electrical shock, we this procedure we have follow. This is our fire control. When someone got snake biting, then this first aid and snake biting procedure is here. This is our conference room. I have this is the same thing which we have already seen, and this is the painting ABC. What is the mean of ABC and the no enter and no smoking? It is created by technician during the safety week. Now we go to conference room. In this conference room we do the TBT on the morning time, so we have planned for the day what the activity we will do in the day, and how much vehicles are coming to the site, how many persons. So in the case of any emergency we have a total count how many persons are in the plants. File room. For extra file we have to maintain in this room. This is firewall and this is emergency exit. Some poster which we have created during the safety week. This is our main control room notice board which we have pasted the helmet details and mock drill details, COVID-19 procedure, what we have to maintain the procedure, the factory license we already pasted here. Mock drill calendar. This is our Lotto station. This is our storeroom, fireball, chemical section, and transformer oil maintaining here in the tray. Chemical section. This chemical section is created by one of our technician with the help of scrap SMB. We have used this as a chemical section. MSDS, all the MSDS sheets are maintained here in this file.